Hey everybody, I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to clean your brushes after using oil paint. So here I've got some Mars black oil paint and a standard bristle brush. So let's get that brush filled up with paint. And let's assume you're done painting, you want to clean your brush. First thing I usually do is just get the paint off with a rag or paper towel, standard enough. Next step is going to be to use an odorless mineral spirit. So here I've got my can of Gamsol odorless mineral spirit. I've got my brush with paint on it. And I'm going to just work the brush around in this can and get that oil paint off. You can see I've got this screen in here that just kind of gives me something to work the brush against. And I can reuse this odorless mineral spirit, this Gamsol, because all the sediment from the oil paint is going to fall to the bottom, and it's going to clear up. The Gamsol is going to clear up within probably just a few hours. So then I check my brush. Let's see how it's looking. And you can see most of the paint is off. I'm not getting much to come off in the paper towel. And that's about the stage I want it at right now, but it's not the end of the cleaning process. Now I'm going to use warm water and soap to get out the mineral spirit and to get the rest of the paint out. So here I've got my brush cleaner, and I put this latex glove on just to protect my hand from the mineral spirits. That's a good practice to get into, especially if you're going to be cleaning brushes every day. So what I'm going to do is work the brush around in the brush soap, and I've got this hot water here, and I'm going to go back and forth. I'm going to work the soap out and then lather it again and then work the soap out. And I want to get the rest of the paint out as well as all of that Gamsol. I want to get all of the odorless mineral spirits out of the brush so that we're left with just a clean brush with water in it. Now that I've cleaned the brush in mineral spirits and soap and warm water, I'm going to put some of this shea butter onto the wet brush to help maintain the moisture and to help shape the brush. You can see that as I put this on, I'm shaping the brush so that it doesn't fray out as it dries. So I might have this brush sit like this for months if I'm not using this particular brush, but when I go to use it, I'm just going to rinse off this shea butter in the odorless mineral spirit, and then I'm ready to start painting again.